Hi everybody, thank you for stopping by. My name is Bowie Wong, I'm a designer and this is my YouTube channel. A channel for the Epicurean. For those of you who are connoisseurs of the finer things in life, here I will show you some of the best the world has to offer. Everything from fashion to dining, I will show you how to travel with style, shop smarter and pack efficiently. We will go behind the scenes at some of my favorite destinations and share some honest, non-scripted conversation about success and failure. YouTube has always been a great resource for me to learn. Now this is time for me to share what I have been discovering along the way so that hopefully my channel can be a resource for you too. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification, and as always, keep exploring.